Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a stationery lover's dream because I'm unboxing a beautiful selection of journaling supplies from JournalTale. These products were kindly gifted to me and I was able to choose each item myself, so I'm really excited to share everything with you. I will be taking a closer look at each product and be sharing my first impressions along with the ideas how I would use them in my journals. I hope this video gives you lots of inspiration for your own creative journey. Let's dive in and see what I chose. The first items I chose were these ink pads. I know they're going to be really useful in my journaling. You can use them to distress edges of papers. They're great for stamping and adding some detail to backgrounds. They're going to work well in my bullet journal and my creative journals. I did order some more of them, so they must be inside the box. So let's open up the box and see what we've got in here. We've got loads of stuff in this box. I'm excited to see. First of all, we've got the thank you card with a discount code. I do have my own discount code that will be in the description box. We've got the first free item. Looks like some seal stickers. They're beautiful. Let's open up and see what's under here. Wow, I've got loads of stuff here to show you. And then we've got the ink pads, haven't we? We've got quite a few free items by the looks of it. We've got these samples. We've got this pack of stickers. I will go into detail with everything. I'm just going to have a quick look. We've got these stickers here. This is a free gift. The good thing about JournalTale, they always give you some free gifts. Here's another free gift. And we've got loads of products here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to unwrap them and then I'm going to show you each one in detail and let you know how I'd use them. Next up are these number stamps. I think they're going to be incredibly useful. I don't currently own a set of number stamps, so I'm really looking forward to incorporating these in my journal spreads. I think they're going to be especially useful for weekly layouts and adding dates in a creative way. These feel really good quality and I love the style of the font. So that's that set. I will put the name on the screen for you and the links will be in the description box for everything that I show you today. Next up are these number stamps. They're the same as the other set but in a different style. Let's have a look at these ones. Oh, I really like this font. Beautiful, isn't it? I can't wait to use these in my bullet journal. These stamps would be perfect for people who make cards as well. And scrapbooking. And they're a lovely size. Keep your eye out for me using these in some future videos. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. The next item I chose was this 42-piece small alphabet and number stamp set. I think it's going to be a useful addition to my journaling supplies. What I really like about this set is the size of the stamps. Because they're smaller, they're perfect for journals and planners where space can sometimes be limited. The set includes both letters and numbers, which means there's so many ways to use it. I can create custom headers, titles and dates. Alphabet stamps allow you to create exactly the wording you need rather than relying on pre-made stickers and stamps. They're one of those supplies that might not seem exciting at first glance, but I think they'll end up being something I reach for again and again. Let me know in the comments if you like your stamps. JournalTale's prices are amazing, but if you want a little bit more of a better price, use my discount code. It will be in my description box. Next I've got all the ink pads, so we've got ruby red, we've got ochre yellow, we've got leaf green, we've got haze blue, we've got lilac purple, rose dust, cocoa brown and piano black. I swatched these for you so I will show you the colours. I got this little book in the box. It must be a free gift because I didn't order it, but I've stamped the numbers in the colours. So here is ruby red, we've got the yellow, we've got the leaf green, we've got the haze blue the lilac purple, the rose dust, the cocoa brown and the piano black. Good range of colours, and I'm really excited to use these. Next up are these cutting mats. You know, if you've watched any of my videos, I love these. I use them all the time. They're great to protect your pages when you're doing Dutch doors, and also they're good for peeling your stickers. Next up is a pair of scissors, another item that I like to buy a lot of. These ones are beautiful. Look at these, they're stunning and they're such good quality. There's some good weight to these. Look at them, beautiful. Not much I can say about scissors, but these are stunning. Definitely get these if you love your scissors. Next up is this craft knife. I've already got one here and they're really good. You twist off the lid and the blades are really sharp. I got another one because I'm going to add it into a giveaway. I've been collecting things for a giveaway, and when I get to 5,000 subscribers I'm doing a huge giveaway. Next up I got some binder clips. These are a set of 5 and they're in gold. You can get these in all different sizes and different finishes. These ones are the large gold and you can get these in small and medium. Next up I got this set. This was a set of 5 in the rose gold this time, and these are the small ones. I find myself buying clips all the time. I like this little set. I can use these to clip my pages back when I'm doing my journaling, and they're great to hold papers, so when you're organising your papers you can clip them with these. Next up is this pack of 40 vintage papers. I couldn't resist choosing these. One of the things I love about vintage papers is how much texture and character they add to a page. Even a small piece tucked behind a sticker or a focal image can make a spread feel more interesting. This pack includes a lovely variety of designs. They're perfect for building collage backgrounds, adding tall paper details, or just using them as decorative accent throughout your spreads. I especially enjoy tearing the edges rather than cutting them because it gives the pages a soft aged look and works beautiful in scrapbook style journaling. These papers are also great for creating pockets, tags and flip outs or journaling spots, so you don't only have to use them for decorative, you can use them for practical reasons too. You'll definitely be seeing them in lots of my future creative journal and bullet journal videos. You'll probably see me using these in my steampunk journal that I've started to set up. If you haven't seen my steampunk journal setup video, I'll put a link in the description box for you. It's a really good one. Right, that's all them papers. We'll move on to the next thing now. I've got another paper pack. This is a smaller pack this. It's called Hollow Lace Papers. Found myself wanting to use papers a lot more recently, so I ordered these. So let's have a look what these ones are like. These are very nice. They feel really good quality. I like the designs. And they've got a little bit of a texture to these papers. Get 2 of each one. These are a great size to journal on and then stick into your journal. Definitely can see myself using these. So that's a lovely little pack. Right, let's move on to the next one. This is another paper pack. In this pack you get 50 pieces. And these are beautiful papers. They're all textured and they're all different designs. And they're in lovely colours. Perfect for steampunk journaling or vintage journaling. And you scrapbookers, perfect for you. I'm excited to use some of these papers. You get loads of different designs and they feel so nice. Really like this little pack of papers. So that's that one. And I've got another one in the same series, and these ones are green. And you get 50 pieces in this one. And again, these are all textured and they're different designs. Such good quality papers these, and they were so cheap. Yeah, these are my colour palette. If you've been watching my videos, you know I like green. I use green a lot. Yeah, I like these. So if you want ideas how I use these, subscribe to my channel and watch my videos because I will be using them. Beautiful little pack this. Right, next is this washi strip pack, and it's got those little bits of strips of washi in this, and they're all different designs. And you've got the backing on the back, so you just pull them out and you can use them as washi strips. They're perfect these to decorate your bullet journals. I really like things like this. Got some beautiful designs. I like this one. I like the fact that there's all different colours and different styles in this little book. I like this one as well. So that's the 32-piece floral washi tape sticker book. I will put the link in the description box if you're interested in getting this. Next is some more special papers. This is the special paper mixed core collage book. And again, you've got some lovely textured papers in this one, in lovely neutral colours. I like this one. I like this green one. They feel so nice. Beautiful little book this of papers. And by the looks of it, you get 2 or 3 of each one. So there's that paper pack. Definitely get this one. I like this book. Right, we're on to washi tape now. This one is a green washi tape. I don't know what this one's called, but it's really nice. The next item I chose is this pet tape. It's a Year Studios one. I love Year Studios pet tapes. Look at these beautiful florals in lovely blush pink colours. And this is a pet tape, and this is a pre-cut one. I love pre-cut tapes, make your life so much easier. I'll just get one here and lift it up. Beautiful. I will be creating a weekly journal spread with this. Look how much you get on a roll. That's the good thing about Year Studio tapes. You get so much on a roll. Next up is another Year Studios tape. Let me grab that one. It's this one. And this is the Red Roses pet tape. It's beautiful. I love the red roses and then the black details in the background. This is going to make a stunning creative journal spread. Beautiful, isn't it? I like this one. It's really nice. This one's a pre-cut one as well. So they lift off perfectly. There's no cutting them out. So that's a lovely tape. I definitely recommend getting this one. And again, so much on a roll. Stunning. Absolutely stunning this. I'm planning to do a Red Riding Hood spread, so I think these would be perfect in that spread. So keep an eye out for that video. Next up is another pet tape. This isn't a Year Studios one. It's a very delicate one this. It's got beautiful florals on it and little vintage elements. This one isn't a pre-cut one, so you'd have to cut this one out. I would use the gyro cut to cut these out, but you can use scissors or a craft knife. Next up, I've got this tape, and this is another Year Studios one. It's a blue and cyan flower one, and this one's beautiful. This isn't a pet tape, this is a washi tape. It's really nice this, and this is a pre-cut one, so there's no cutting out needed on this. You just lift them up like you would with stickers. They're really nice. Look at that. Beautiful. This is one that I do recommend to get. Recommend you get everything, really. Look how much you get on a roll. So much. I really like this one. Next up is another floral Year Studios one. This is white rose washi tape. And this is a very delicate one, this one. It's more greens with a very light coloured flower. And I don't know if this one's a pre-cut one. Let's have a look. No, it's not. So this one you'd have to cut out. But it's really nice. Just get your gyro cut and go around it to cut them out. So that's that one. Right, we've got another one. This is a Year Studios one as well. And this is a vintage butterfly rose washi tape. I really like this one. I like the mixture of the florals and scissors. These are beautiful. Got little clips. This is a really nice one, this. This would make a perfect bullet journal spread, wouldn't it? And this one isn't pre-cut, so you'd have to cut these ones out too. I really like this one. Right, so we've got another one. I don't know what this one is. I don't remember ordering this one, so it must have been a free gift. You've got a mixture of florals and Chinese writing. You don't get so much on this roll, but it's a nice one. Right, these are the free gifts that I got. So we got these stickers here that are like seals, and they're very pretty. So nice free gift. We got this free gift, which is the stickers of girls. It's a nice one. We've got this paper pack. Get quite a lot in this pack. And then there's this one, which is stickers. And these are the designs. And then, like always, you get a pack of samples of tapes. So let's have a look at them. So they give me a sample of this one, these florals. And then this one with the girls on it. Let's have a look. That's nice. And then this one. I really like the colours in this one. Might have to get the roll of this one. Let's see what else we've got. Got a sample of these florals. These are fun ones, aren't they? And then a sample of this one. That's everything I chose from JournalTale. I couldn't be happier with this collection. I'm already imagining so many creative journal spreads and bullet journal layouts using the supplies. I can't wait to start creating with them in future videos. A huge thank you to JournalTale for gifting me these products and giving me the opportunity to choose some beautiful stuff. Now I'd love to hear from you. Which product was your favourite? If you enjoyed today's haul, please give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment below and subscribe for more. Bye for now.